Hey guys, in this video I will be show you how you can create text behind object and Canva PC. So just create a new design. So select Instagram post as square, for instance, and waiting for loading and just going to upload your photo here. This upload file, and then if you already um, have a photo, just add the photo here and just going to merge it. So for the center, um, and then just going to add a text, for instance, and then just going to add the same image. So just tap on it again, tap again and merge it again as before, and then so just going to edit image and go to background remover and waiting for remove the background. So here we go. That's how to create text behind object. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. You can click thanks button for appreciate. Thank you so much for watching.